Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Pocket Broker application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device, and then just tap on the search button where you can type in Pocket Broker to begin your search. Once you find the Pocket Broker application from Pocket Investments, you can tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button, which will then begin the download and installation of the Pocket Broker app. Just wait until the process is completed, and once you see the open button, you can tap on it, which will then open up the application. You can now get a free demo of the app, or you can sign into your existing account and you may begin your registration if you don't have an account already. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Pocket Broker app on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.